guys, you're always complimenting my hair, and this is what I do all the time, just treatment. And I just did another treatment this month. That's the advantage when you have a salon. A lot of customers really chose the treatment I always use because they see it by themselves, how nice it is. It's like the proof of the treatment. May igura minimo? We are done for today. We are done for today, guys. So today is not so busy. That's why I had a time to do my hairs. And hopefully by tomorrow or next days, it will be back by yesterday and the other day. Like busy. Lami among sudan today lang.
Today lang yan.
We're home, guys, and this is our food again for dinner. Then